Alright, so welcome back my friends. This will be just a very quick tutorial regarding how we can insert and how we can delete a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so basically a worksheet, as I have mentioned before, is that a worksheet is a MS Excel environment where we are going to have our manipulation with our data, have our analysis on our data. So basically, what you are seeing right now is a worksheet named Sheet 1. No, so before we introduce to you how to insert and how to delete a worksheet, we should first know how to rename a worksheet. So since this is a sheet 1, for example, this is the contents of this worksheet is our raw data, we can actually rename this as raw data. So that's basically how to rename a worksheet. If it happens that you are working on a very large group of data and that specific data set is not enough for this only one sheet, we can have actually a second worksheet, and that's where we can have our insert function. So to insert, just click this new sheet, okay, and you can now have your sheet number 2. So let's have here second sheet. Let's try to rename. That is actually the first second sheet. Okay, that's actually, guys, the first way to on how to we can add a worksheet, how we can insert a worksheet. So for the another way on how to insert a worksheet, we can actually, aside to clicking this plus button, we can have this latest button. Just make sure your cursor is on the second latest sheet and right click, then click insert sheet. It is just the same. It will give you another new sheet, which is actually by default it is sheet number 3. So you can still have this another name. Of course, you can rename this. So let's try to input any letters. Okay, so that's our third sheet. Now that's how we can insert a worksheet. So for the deletion of worksheet, we can actually have this. Just point your cursor on the sheet to delete. For example, we will delete this raw data. Just right click and click delete. And by that way, that raw data sheet is already deleted. Okay, so I hope you get something from this short and very quick video tutorial, my friends. And see you in our next video tutorial regarding MS Excel. Keep safe always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video if you find this video meaningful and valuable. Okay, so see you in our next video. Keep safe always. Bye-bye.